One little umbrella, under it we unite, unfurling in the rain, a safe haven sight. Two tall umpires, treading on tiptoe, tripping and turning with every throw. Three thankful unicorns, with manes of purest gold, unite under the sun, never feeling old. Four fabulous ushers, friendly and fun, finding your seat and fixing your bun. Five festive ukuleles, strumming all night, spreading joy and cheer with their musical might. Seven steel utensils for stirring up a treat, essential equipment for any cooking feat. Seven silky uniforms, shining bright, feeling superb, looking just right. Eight elusive UFOs up high in the sky, undulating and unearthing as they pass us by. Nine nimble users, busy at play, working hard on their devices every single day. 10 terrific underpants, so white and bright. Put them on, pull them high, and party all night. The letter U is ubiquitous, you see, unlocking untold possibilities for you and for me. So use it with unity and utter it with glee, and let the letter U lead you to victory.